Within the reports, useful ways how you can drill down on the report and also customize it to make it look how you want it to look. So that it shows the information that's relevant to you and in the position that you want to see it. So in this case, we're going to look through the profit and loss report and show you exactly how you do that. So we go to accounting, and we've got this as our favorite up here. Not in your favorites, and you'll have to click on reports and find the report. Within this report, we can select the period that we want to report on. So here we're going to do this financial year, and we're going to compare it with. Note that this is a demo company, so there may not be information in the previous 2 years. We can also customize the date, so if it doesn't have that option in the drop down, you can either select custom date range here, or you can just skip that drop down and go straight into it, and then either enter the date manually, so like that, or you can select it from this calendar view over here. And then obviously that'll be the start date, this will be the end date. We can put a filter on it, so you can filter, say, tracking categories, etc. And finished our selection. There's a few more here you can choose from. You can choose whether to report on accrual or cash. The difference between accrual and cash in simple terms is accrual is based on the invoices in and out, whereas the cash is the money in and out of the account, out of the bank, or actual physical hard notes and coins in and out. And then you can choose what you want to show the accounting basis. Do you want to show account codes? Showing account codes is useful because then you can order it in order of account codes. You can also show the percentage of the turnover and have a total column on year to date. Total is not relevant in this case because we're not doing individual months. Total is when you're doing a selection of months and you want to see the total for those months. Whereas here we're doing for the whole year. And then year to date would show how much the cumulative amount this year is so far. So we're going to click update over there. Here we can see the details of what we've got. So as I warned you, there's no information here on 2023. It's a demo company, but we can see the comparative for 2024. Now this might look like a bit too much information. Might be a bit overwhelming for some people to see so much information in front of them, so we can just cut out the irrelevant data. So we'll just compare 1 year because 2 years ago doesn't have any data, and we'll take out the percentage of turnover because that's cluttering it a little bit. And it eventually comes along. And over here we have a much easier report to view, much less information to digest. So we've got this year, the year ending 2025, and the previous year, the year ending 31st of March 2024. And we have all the account codes over here so we can see what it is. So we've seen sales, there's £33,000. Previous year was only £5,500, but last year we've got other revenue of £3,500.